All right, Mr. Phillips.
How you doing, Mr. Malcheski, Your Honor?
Okay, we're here on a contempt hearing. The reason for that contempt hearing, again, I want to make sure you understand what's going on here. We've gotten several documents from you recently, okay?
Okay.
Those have been from, although you have your name as Swollen Johnson on one, Jack Me Off on the other one, Bend Over on another one, Mike Cock another one.
That's just
Marbury versus Madison.
Your Honor, due to the fact that the court, Painesville Municipal Court, has refused to respect my constitutional rights to basically the exculpatory process under my Sixth Amendment to basically file my own motions pro se. The court is not hearing them.
Well, we've dealt with every single motion that you have sent us. So we sent you, if we don't have the transcripts, you don't have the transcripts, we sent you the audio.
Motion requesting emergency injunctive relief. Did you get that one? I request an emergency injunctive relief or oral hearing requested, case number TRD 2001158.
Yeah.
Basically, Your Honor, what
you're filing them in the wrong court.
Motion requesting emergency injunctive relief.
You're filing in the wrong court. Your file is not here anymore.
Well, that case absolutely would be. It's TRD 2001158 would be a traffic case. I don't believe that you could bond over traffic offenses to the common police unless it would be a court of equity, is it not? It's the court of law, a court of equity, Your Honor.
And what do you want to have happen in that case?
I'd like to have you step in, get some emergency injunctive relief, get some video surveillance from the dash cam video from a Sergeant DeBilco from the State Highway Patrol. I was involved in a high-speed chase. There's traffic offenses. The state continues to deny my request to turn over exculpatory evidence in my favor, Your Honor, and that would be a clear violation of my due process. And if I could prove that my due process is being violated, which I can.
Well, again, I'm gonna. If I understood it correctly, all those cases are over at the common police court. Those are all part of your felony case.
I don't believe you can bond over a traffic case, can you?
They all go over. They all go over together. Okay, they all go over together because it's all one transaction or occurrence.
Well, if that be the case, Your Honor, due to my speedy trial at a 3-for-1 count under 294571, my time for trial, it would be over with.
Okay,
but you could be convicted of a crime in common police court that's been bonded over that I've already reduced the timeline that I've been incarcerated here at the Lake County Jail.
All right, you got to address that at the court. Did you address that when you at Judge Lucci?
Yeah, absolutely. He sent it back to you. That's why I'm asking for emergency injunctive relief.
No, he didn't send it back to me. I asked you to be here. I asked for you to be here only for the simple fact that I wanted to make sure that you understood that we're going to set a hearing, maybe, on whether or not you're going to be in contempt of court for the way you've made these filings.
What did I do?
I told you. I explained to you exactly what you did. So.
All right. Well, I'm wondering that because when I filed the motions, they sent it back, said that this case has been bound over. So then I had to send it in somebody else's name in order for you to receive it.
That's not true. I've got every single document from you, and if you think that those names were proper, then we'll set that for a hearing, which I'm more than happy to do.
All right, Paul, we can do that. I'd appreciate it.
All right, I will set that for a contempt hearing, and then I will remind you that all these other filings should be filed in common police court. I will also remind you additionally, if you are assisting others.
Names that would say that, is there threats or anything being made to the court or anything or something like that?
That's what the purpose of the hearing is going to be.
By the name of Dale Lucas, and he had several cases, he keeps getting knocked with ounces of dope, beating on females and that such, and his cases just keep getting dismissed. So I would like to ask Painesville Municipal Court, maybe I could get the same retrospect as Mr. Lucas, without having to basically snitch on somebody to get them cases dismissed. All right. Please, the court.
Okay. Well, we'll take a look at that. I don't know about Mr. Lucas. I do know that you also have to watch out because some of the other documentation that you've been filing on behalf of others is illegal. Besides the fact that it's not proper arguments or law on the subject matter. but that may get you in trouble as well. So I'm warning you of the unauthorized practice of law, okay?
Your Honor, may I advise the court that under Marbury v. Madison 5 U.S. 137, 1803, anything in violation into the Constitution will be non-void of law. And what you say that when you bring into retrospect that I do not have a license to practice law, Your Honor, I'm not practicing. And Murdoch v. Pennsylvania, when this state issued a license and a fee to practice my God-given right to pursue life, liberty, and happiness and to work, it became non-void of law. It became unconstitutional.
All right.
Therefore,
All right, we'll set the matter down, okay? All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.